Good morning everyone. So we were discussing integrals of class 12. In the last video we have started exercise 7.1. So till question number 5 we have already discussed. Today we will start question number 6 of exercise 7.1. So now we will solve the questions using formula. Okay. So whatever formula is necessary I will give by the side of the question. So the question is, we have to integrate what? 4 e to the power 3x. Question number 6, you have to integrate 4 e to the power 3x plus 1 dx. You have to integrate this. So from now on we will use formula. So the first formula in this question, that formula we need, not the first formula basically. The formula you need to solve this question is what? You need to know what is the formula of integration of integral for e to the power nx. So what is integral e to the power nx? The answer is what? E to the power nx, and what is multiplied by with x? It is n, so you have to divide it by n, and then what? Plus c, constant. So this is the formula. If there is one, say integration of e to the power x, now it will be e to the power x. So what is with multiplied with 1? What is multiplied with x? 1. So no need to divide by 1 because it is already understood that there is divided by 1. So in case of e to the power x, what we say? Integral of e to the power x is e to the power x. But actually e to the power x then again divided by what? 1. But in this case, since thrice x is there, so you have to divide it by what? 3. That is nx. So if any coefficient is multiplied with x, you have to divide that coefficient. Okay. But in case of 1, if it is 1x, then no need to divide because it is understood to be 1. So this is the formula that we will use. Then second one, that is integral of dx, or you can say 1 dx. 1 is there, na? So 1 dx is dx only. So what is integral of dx? It will be what? Nothing but x. Because ddx of x is what? 1 dx or dx. Okay, same thing. I will write dx only. Because what is the ddx of x? Differentiation of x is 1. So integral of 1 dx will be what? X plus c. So these two formula we will use to solve this question. Okay. So solution, integral 4 e to the power 3x plus 1 dx. So 4 is a constant, no problem. 4 e to the power 3x, if I integrate, will be what? E to the power 3x, and then what? By 3 plus, then I have to integrate 1. What is the integral of 1? It is nothing but, that is dx, means what? X, and then what? Plus c. So what is my answer? My answer is 4 by 3 to the power 3x plus x plus c. This is my answer. So let us see the next question. It is x square into 1 minus 1 by x square dx. So question number 7, solution, it is x square into 1 minus 1 by x square dx. 1 by x square dx. So it is equal to, now multiply. We will multiply here. X square 1 ja will be what? X square minus x square into 1 by x square. X square will get cancelled out. What will remain? Only 1. So x square minus 1 dx. See, in this exercise we will only solve by breaking it. In most of the cases we will multiply until and unless we don't get a favorable formula that we know. So in this case, what formula we will use? X to the power n, which is nothing but x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, the most basic formula. I think so. This is the most basic formula, power formula. X to the power n is x to the power, add the power, again add the power in the denominator, plus c. So these are the three formulas. Okay. So in this exercise 7.1, we will try to solve the question by breaking them. See, in this case I multiply to make it simple so that I get a favorable formula. Now I can solve now by using the formula x to the power n. 1 is there, I know the formula for how to integrate 1. So I have to break it so that I get a favorable type, you can say. In the next exercise, you will not get this type. You cannot multiply, you cannot divide, so that this kind of situation will come. Something else we have to do. In the next exercise, something else. In the next exercise, something else. So this process will continue in all the exercise. Directly in this exercise, all the questions you will get, you can directly solve the questions. But in the after exercise, you cannot solve it directly. Something else you have to do. Maybe you have to substitute it. Maybe some different rule will apply. Okay. So now what will happen? How to integrate x square? It will be x to the power 2 plus 1 by what? 2 2 plus 1 minus, what will be the answer? Integrate if I 1, it will be x plus what? C. So what is the final answer? The final answer is x cube by 3 minus x plus c. This is the final answer. X cube by 3 minus x plus c. Okay. Let us see the next question. It is ax square plus bx plus c, the standard form of a polynomial function. Solution, I have to integrate what? Ax square plus bx plus c dx. See, nothing to solve here. Simple. I can integrate. See, in case of addition and subtraction, integrate in this integral symbol can be separated. Okay, means separately you can separately will integrate this, separately will integrate this, and separately will integrate this also. Clear? In case of addition and subtraction, but not in case of multiplication. See, that's why I multiplied this so that I can separate the integral. So in this case also I can solve it very simple, because you see power is there 1 and it is a constant function, right? Constant means what? C is the constant. So basically I have to integrate what? Dx, 1 dx. The answer will be what? X. So what will happen if I integrate ax square? It is a x to the power 2 plus 1 by what? 2 plus 1 plus b x to the power. The power is how much? The degree is 1. So it is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus c. Now c is the constant part. Okay, c is the means basically it is what? Integral c dx means integral c, how much dx? 1 dx. So what will be the answer? X plus c. This you can say this is small c lower case, and this is what? This is capital C. Okay, constant. Understood? So directly we can break this question. A is the coefficient, scalar part. No need to integrate this. The function is x square. X square will be what? X cube 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 means the answer will be what? A x cube by what? 3 plus b x square by what? 2 plus cx plus what? C. Done. Let us see question number now 9. Question number 9 is twice x square plus e to the power x. Integral 2x square plus e to the power x dx. Let me once again check the question. It is 2x square plus e to the power x dx. So solution, I can separate the integral because addition symbol is there, right? And this also I can integrate, this also I can integrate. I know the formula, right? So it will be equal to 2 is again the scalar part. So this will be what? X. Now let us do shortcut from now. 2 plus 1, isn't it? 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 will be what? 3. Divided by 2 plus 1 will be how much? 3. Plus. What is integral of e to the power x? It is nothing but what? E to the power x. Now no need to divide by 1. Yes, 1x is there, 1x. So already there is 1. So no need to write. Plus C, and the question is finished, right? So let us do one more, that is question number, let us solve question number 10. Okay, we can solve it here if it is not so big. Question number 10, root over, okay, let us do it here. Question number 10 is root over x minus 1 by root over x whole square. Question number 10, solution, root x minus 1 by square root x whole square dx, which is equal to, again directly there is, you don't know the formula how to do it, so we have to break it. In this exercise always try to break it, make it simple so that you get a suitable structure which you can use the formula. Okay, so now I don't know how to solve this, so I will break it so that I get a suitable formula. Okay, so if I break this a minus b whole square, this will be what? This will be, say, a square minus twice a b plus what? Plus b square, and then what? Dx. So formula of a minus b whole square, which is equal to integral root over x square is what? X, root x cancel, minus 2, and this is how much again? Plus 1 by root over x square is what? X, and then what? dx. Done. So now again we have to integrate. This formula I know, this formula is a constant, so again 1 is there, 2 will come out, 1 dx. This formula till now not given. So what is the formula for integral 1 by x dx? Again ask yourself, maybe you already know. Whose differentiation is 1 by x? We know that ddx of log x is how much? 1 by x. So integral 1 by x dx will be what? Log mod x plus c. This why this modulus symbol or absolute value symbol you will come to know later part of the chapter, why we use this part, only because to take the magnitude, okay. But again later on I will tell you deeply that why this symbol is used, but simply you just try to understand that we take the magnitude, simple. So since ddx of log x is 1 by x, so integral of 1 by x will be what? Log x. So solve it. Integral of x will be what? What is the power? The power is 1, so 1 plus 1 will be how much? 2 divided by, again 1 plus 1 will be how much? 2 minus 2, 2 will come out, basically it is dx, 1 dx, so how much? X. And what is the integral of 1 by x? It is nothing but log x, and then at the end what? Plus c. Okay, log mod x plus c. So in this video we have solved till question number 10. In the next video we will discuss from question number 11. If there is any doubt, you memorize the formula anyhow you have to memorize. There are, I think so, minimum 40 to 50 formulas are there in the whole chapter. The formula PDF I will give in the description. You will also get the formula in the book also, but if you need all the formula in a single sheet, you will get the PDF in the description. If you have any doubt regarding the questions, like in this question I have done shortcut, I have not written. The power is what? The power is 1. The power is 1, so it will be what? X to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So basically what? X square by 2. So shortcut I have done. Try to do in shortcut because it will take time. When the questions will be larger, then you cannot do this kind of thing. You cannot write, because after 2 or 3 exercise in maybe 7.4 or 7.5, the questions will be long, 1 page, 2 page question. Okay. So in that case, you have to do this kind of simple problem. You have to do shortcut. So integral of x will be x square by 2. Integral of x square will be x cube by 3. Integral of x cube will be x to the power 4 by 4. So this kind of thing you have to do shortcut. So you memorize the formula, you practice, try to do 2-3 questions by yourself also. In the next class I will start from question number 11. So in this video till this much only. Thank you.